in the terminal building in Edinburgh must not be consumed on board this flight, and you must take it with you for arrival into London Gatwick. Once your cabin crew are ready, we're going to come straight up with a bistro service, allow you to drink snacks, teas, coffees or chocolate. Bar is open and food and snacks are available. On this quick service for your crew, please have your orders and the exact change ready available wherever. If you do not have the exact change this evening, could you please put it onto a debit or credit card, as there's no minimum spend or charge on board your aircraft. Please be advised we do not take any Electron, Maestro, Revolut, VPay or any prepaid cards. The quickest way to pay is via contactless. Up to £30 Android Pay and Apple Pay is available as well. For our passengers that are Plus card holders, please be advised now you get 10% off any items from our bistro, any food or drinks. You must show your Plus card to the crew when purchasing your items, and your Plus card must be in date. Please now sit back, relaxing myself, or my team can help, and please just ask. Welcome to London Gatwick, but the time is 20 to 9 in the evening. In a few moments' time now, your onboard team will be released from their seats to perform safety-related duties. However, we ask all passengers, children and infants on laps to remain seated with their seatbelts securely fastened until the captain switches off the fasten seatbelt sign. Once again, this is clearly visible in the panel above your head, and it's the only indication on board this aircraft that is safe for you to move around the cabin. Electronic devices, which do include mobile phones, can now be used on board your aircraft. However, smoking is not permitted to reach a designated smoking area. Here at London Gatwick, it's outside the arrivals hall. This also includes e-cigarettes and electronic devices as well. Please do a thorough check and please do take all your personal belongings with you. Check it inside your seat pockets, underneath the seat and in the overhead lockers. And any final rubbish, please leave on your seat as you disembark the plane. If you are returning home, let the first to welcome you home. If you're on business or on pleasure, we hope you enjoy your stay. Why not download the easyJet app and have all your future bookings, boarding cards and much more under one app. And here at London Gatwick, it also tells you your baggage carousel before it appears on the screens. Thank you and bye-bye.